Welcome to
MathPractice159.
Math Practice number 159. Okay, so we're coming to the end of the section we're studying in Beast Academy, so we're just doing a few review problems today, but it's kind of been a while since we talked about this, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to do this problem. Can you sum up the numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 all the way up to plus 19? Whoa. Whoa. Do you understand the pattern?
Yeah.
Okay, what are the numbers I'm asking you to sum up?
Odd. They're odd numbers.
Yeah, they are odd numbers. You think it's odd that I'm asking you to do this problem?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, they're odd numbers. Okay, do you remember when we talked about summing up odd numbers, or you don't quite remember?
Yeah, I know how to add them up. You write it backwards.
Oh, okay.
There's 19 plus 17 plus 15 plus 13 plus all the way down to 1.
Okay.
And you get a bunch of 20s.
Okay, you get a bunch of 20s. Ooh. How many 20s do you get?
19 20s.
Well, let's be careful about how many 20s we get. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus dot 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 all the way up to plus 20. Now, we would get 19 20s if there were 19 numbers here, but this is only the odd numbers. So we have to figure out how many there are.
19 divided by 2.
Well, maybe we should just count them on our fingers. Ready?
Okay.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19.
There's 10.
Whew. Good thing there weren't 11 or 20 or 650. Okay, so how many odd numbers were there up to and including 19?
10.
10. So how many 20s do we have?
10 20s.
10 20s. And that's twice our sum, right?
It's worth to divide in half.
Okay, well, let's add it first. What do you get when you add together 10 20s?
Well, you gotta group them. 20 plus 20 is 40. 20 plus 20 is 40, and you get 5 groups of 40.
All right, you're going to get 5 40s. That's a good way to look at it. Maybe I can write all 5 out. Okay, and what do you get when you add 5 40s?
Well, you get 2 80s and 1 40.
Okay. All right, that's interesting.
So you have to add 80 plus 80 plus 40.
Okay, and what do you get?
160 plus 40.
I'm going to write it up here because I think we might be close to off screen. What is 160 plus 40? 200. Do you see any way adding together 10 20s produces 200 right from the beginning?
Well, 10 10 produces 100.
So 10 20s produces 200. Okay, great. So we get 200. So is that our answer? 1 plus 3 plus 5 all the way up to 19?
No.
Why not?
Because you have to divide it in half.
Oh, okay.
So we get 100.
100. We get this equals 100. Good job. But there's another way that's really special with odd numbers. And you know what I want you to do today? Out of Duplos, I want you to make, sorry, the green doesn't erase very well. There's another way we can think about odd numbers. We can do it with our squares. We can do 1 square, and now plus 3 squares. Remember this one with the Duplos?
Yeah.
3 squares that way. Now 5 squares this way.
Yep.
So 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9 because it makes a 3 by 3 square.
Yep.
So this added up to 100 because it actually makes a 10 by 10 square.
Cool.
Cool. So what I want you to do is I want you to get your Duplos and I want you to make this Duplo picture again. Okay, and then you have a homework problem that I think asks you to add all the odd numbers. I think it goes up to plus 37. Whoa.
Whoa.
And then it asks you to add up the first 101 odd numbers. So you're going to have to think about how you can do that. You're going to have to figure out which odd number is odd number 101. Whoa, those are 2 tricky problems, right?
Yeah.
Actually 3. You got to do 3 things for me today. Do the Duplos. 1 plus 3 plus 5, and then you'll see the pattern. Then add up the odd numbers up to 37, then add the first 101 odd numbers, all right?
Whoa.
Whoa. Good job today, honey. Does this look like it'll be a fun day of homework?
Maybe.
All right.